Hello, welcome back to Daily Dose of Medicine. In this video, we are going to talk about some potential health benefits of oatmeal and why you should eat them. Let's start with some science-backed health benefits of oatmeal, such as weight loss, reduced risk of heart disease, and lower blood sugar. And oats are providing antioxidants. Antioxidants are substances that may protect your cells against free radicals. And free radicals are molecules produced when your body breaks down food or when you are exposed to tobacco smoke or radiation. And oats are boosting your heart health. A specific fiber in oats called beta-glucan can lower both your LDL, which is bad cholesterol, and your total cholesterol. LDL is known to cause clogs in your arteries and damage your heart tissues. And oats are providing plenty of vitamins and minerals, such as magnesium, iron, phosphorus, zinc, folate, and copper. And oats can improve blood sugar control. Due to their soluble fiber beta-glucan, oats may improve insulin sensitivity and help lower your blood sugar levels. And oats may help you for controlling your weight. Oats can keep you feeling fuller longer, thereby helping you control your weight. And oats are relieving constipation. The fiber in oatmeal can help keep waste in your gastrointestinal tract moving, which can relieve or prevent constipation. Some studies show that giving oatmeal to babies before they're 6 months old may lower their odds of getting asthma later on. Chances of getting hay fever and skin allergies might also go down too. And oats can improve your gut health. Oats are prebiotic, that means feed probiotics, and probiotics will grow. And probiotics are good bacteria in your gut, and this keeps your gut healthy. And I can say that healthy gut means healthy body. In summary, we can say that oats one of the healthiest food that you can eat, and they are really nutritious. They're packed with important vitamins, minerals, and also antioxidants. And when you compare with other grains, they are high in fiber and protein. And that wraps up all the video. Thanks for watching. Consider liking, commenting, and sharing. And you can reach vitamin A video from the top right corner.